cacio e pepe with black truffle. Today on Tattooed Granny. Tuber melanosporum, the black winter truffle, associated mycorrhizally with oak trees and some hazels, is a delicious fungi. Prime season for this prized edible is December through March, and the specimens come from Italy and France. Both the United States and Australia grow them, but the terroir is different. The fragrance and taste, not the same to me. Once harvested, peak flavor can be maintained for only about 5 days. They must be refrigerated and kept dry before use. They usually sell for more than $100 US per ounce. So I wait till near the end of the season when the prices drop by half. This fruiting body has the most complex fragrance and taste profile of any mushroom I have ever eaten. It pairs well with eggs, cheese, pasta, shellfish, and fatty meats like steak and liver. When you unwrap these, the smell will hit you, and you'll know right then if you like truffles or you don't. I should have been born rich because I can't get enough of Tuber melanosporum. To stretch out what I buy, I make truffle butter and truffle salt, which you'll see near the end of this video. Today, I'm going to prepare an Italian classic pasta dish, cacio e pepe, peppered spaghetti with black truffles. One of my most favorite dishes. Pepper, Parmesan, truffles, kosher salt, garlic. So that's extra virgin olive oil with black truffle chili oil and organic butter.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the earthy umami of the truffle is fabulous. I can smell it through the whole house. It's so good. Black truffle. Giddy. Is that good? Next, we are going to make truffled butter and salt. It's a straightforward two-step process for each. You grate the truffles, you mix it with the salt. Same thing with the butter. Then, I form the butter into a log, roll it up in saran wrap or plastic wrap, freeze it, and slice off hunks when I want to flavor a dish. Let your butter come to room temperature and mix the truffles in thoroughly. Here are a few of the fabulous black truffle dishes I have had at restaurants over the years. Extraordinary.